How to enable or disable show surface updates on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra, or the Edge. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In Quick Settings, tap on the Settings icon. Then we scroll down to the bottom and tap on Developer Options. From here, scroll down to the Drawing section and then tap on Show Surface Updates. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. Here say flash entire Windows surfaces when they update. And that's it. So you can see when I move or perform an update on the screen, it will flashes in pink color. And that's it. Here we can switch it off. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.